Welcome to our Odoo 19 Inventory Settings course. In this course, we break down every important inventory setting in Odoo, not just what the button does, but why it exists and when to use it in real businesses. We'll cover packages, routes, operation types, receipts, deliveries, internal transfers, and how inventory settings connect with sales, purchase, shipping, and accounting. This training is designed for business owners, accountants, and Odoo implementers who want clean inventory, clean accounting, and fewer surprises. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how packages work in Odoo 19 using a real end-to-end inventory flow. First, let's clarify one thing. A package in Odoo is a physical container, a box, a pallet, or a parcel that holds one or more products together. Packages do not change quantities or costs. They simply help Odoo track how products are physically grouped and moved. To use packages, we first go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings, and under Operations, we enable packages, then Save. Once packages are enabled, they become available in receipts, internal transfers, and delivery orders. Now, let's look at a real example. I start by creating a product. Product 1, set as a storable good, tracked by quantity. Nothing special here, just a normal inventory product. Next, I create a purchase order for Product 1 with a quantity of 10 units. When I receive this purchase order, I open the receipt and click Details on the product line. This opens the Detailed Operations window. Here's where packages come into play. In the Destination Package field, I create a new package, Pack 125, and assign all 10 units into that package. Once I save and validate the receipt, Odoo now knows that Product 1 physically sits inside Pack 125. Now let's take it one step further. In a second receipt, I receive Product 2 with a quantity of 30 units. Again, I open the details, and this time I assign Product 2 into the same package, Pack 125. Now this is important. Odoo allows multiple products inside one package. Pack 125 now contains 10 units of Product 1, 30 units of Product 2. If I open the package record itself, I can clearly see both products listed inside it, along with their quantities and location. At this point, nothing has been shipped yet. The package simply exists in stock as a physical container. Now let's move to sales and delivery. I create a sales order for Product 1 with a quantity of 5 units and confirm it. This creates a delivery order. In the delivery order, Odoo shows Product 1 as available. Even though Product 1 is inside Pack 125, Odoo still allows partial delivery. I validate the delivery for 5 units. Now watch what happens. When I go back to Pack 125, the contents update automatically. Product 1 is now reduced from 10 units to 5 units. Product 2 remains unchanged at 30 units. This is exactly how packages are supposed to behave. Packages adjust dynamically as products move in and out, without breaking inventory accuracy. You can also use the Put in Pack button on receipts or deliveries if you want Odoo to automatically create a new package and put everything inside it. For businesses that ship to customers, you can also define package types, boxes, pallets, cartons, with dimensions and weights. Odoo will then calculate shipping weight by adding the product weight plus the package weight. If you're using advanced picking methods like batch, wave, or cluster transfers, packages become even more powerful, especially when using reusable boxes inside the warehouse. The key takeaway is this: packages help you mirror real-world warehouse behavior inside Odoo. They improve traceability, simplify shipping, and keep inventory movements clean, without touching costing or accounting logic. Once you understand packages, the rest of Odoo inventory becomes much easier to control. That was a practical walkthrough of packages in Odoo 19, using real receipts, real deliveries, and real inventory movement. This is just one part of our Odoo inventory settings course, where we break down every critical configuration step by step. If you want structured training, clean implementations, or help aligning inventory with accounting and reporting, visit www.katielinks.com. Subscribe for more Odoo training or contact us directly for Odoo implementation, hands-on training, and accounting-led system setup.